How do you develop a positive mindset? Here are 5 things that you can start doing today to help you develop a positive mindset. Number 1, limit or eliminate negative influences. Reduce your exposure to negative news, toxic relationships, or environments that drain your energy or positivity. Consuming negative content is detrimental to your mindset. In other words, put yourself on a positive content diet. Number 2, use positive language during self-talk. Do you talk to yourself sometimes? If you do, please use positive language during self-talk. Instead of saying, I cannot do this, how about you say, I am going to figure this out? That small change causes your mind to think about possible solutions instead of condemning yourself to the status quo. Number 3, focus your energy on things you can change or influence. Don't waste your time thinking about things or problems you cannot change or influence. Beating yourself up for past mistakes or failures doesn't help. Learn from those mistakes and failures and move on with your life. Number 4, focus on proud moments. Instead of worrying about what's not going well in your life, turn your focus to things that you are proud of. We all have done things that we are proud of. When you are concerned, stressed, or worried, think about those achievements and proud moments. Number 5, help others or give back. The good book says, it's better to give than to receive. Helping someone is a great way to make a positive impact and find meaning and purpose in life. Helping others make us feel great and can also lead to new opportunities and relationships. Remember, developing a positive mindset is a journey, not a destination. There will be ups and downs along the way, but by using these strategies and constantly practicing, you can cultivate a more optimistic and resilient outlook on life. If this video helped you, please share, like, and subscribe to the channel. This will help the channel to reach more people. And don't forget to leave a comment. This is Kenny signing off. Thank you for watching. And remember, there's greatness in you. Until next time, stay blessed, my friends.